Here's the fascinating story behind the creation of Bitcoin in the world. The first digital money, known as Bitcoin, was developed in 2009 by a person or group operating under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The major goal of developing Bitcoin was to establish a decentralized, transparent, and accountable blockchain-based payment system independent of centralized institutions like banks and governments. Bitcoin leverages blockchain technology, which enables transactions to be verified, recorded, and shared across the network in a safe and transparent manner. Every Bitcoin transaction is compiled into blocks and saved in the blockchain indefinitely. A procedure known as mining is used to create and conduct Bitcoin transactions. Validating and adding transactions to the blockchain is done through mining. A miner will be rewarded with new Bitcoins each time they correctly validate a block of transactions and add it to the blockchain. On January 3, 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto created the first Bitcoin, and on January 12, 2009, the first Bitcoin transaction took place. Bitcoin had no value at first, but it eventually started to trade on exchange markets for virtual money. In 2010, a user of Bitcoin spent 10,000 Bitcoins, or about $25 at the time, for 2 pizzas. The usage of Bitcoin as a payment method in this transaction made history. The price of Bitcoin rose to almost $1,000 in 2013, which was its all-time high. At the same time, Bitcoin usage started to extend to a variety of industries, including betting, online shopping, and investing. Yet, Bitcoin is frequently criticized and viewed as a dangerous investment because to its unregulated status and excessive price volatility. The price of Bitcoin surpassed $19,000 in 2017 when it peaked. A sharp decline in price followed, though, and in 2018, Bitcoin was only about $4,000 or so. Bitcoin continues to be the most popular and widely used digital currency in the world today, with millions of users and tens of thousands of businesses accepting it as a form of payment. Additionally, new digital currencies and other blockchain applications in a variety of industries have been developed using the same blockchain technology that underpins Bitcoin. Nevertheless, scalability, security, and regulatory constraints are just a few of the difficulties that Bitcoin and blockchain technology must overcome. It will be interesting to watch how blockchain technology and digital currencies develop and advance in the future. Great Chronicles channel committed to bringing you the best, most informative content out there, and we promise to keep working hard to make that happen. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.